This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift up the safety latch, raise the hood, and support it with the proper rod. Once the engine is completely cool, remove the radiator cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. Attach a suitably sized hose to the drain fitting to direct the coolant into the container, then open the drain fitting with the correct size wrench or Allen wrench. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Close and tighten the radiator drain plug after all the coolant has been drained. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. Slowly add new coolant, which consists of a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze, to the radiator until it's full. Leave the radiator cap off and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and upper radiator hose will become hot. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the lip and the radiator filler neck. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel air, then add more coolant mixture if necessary. Install the radiator cap. Add coolant to the reservoir up to the full hot mark. Start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and check for leaks.